Okay, so here's our wall, and here's our little homeowner who stamped the wall. So tell me, how easy was it?
It was pretty easy. I thought it was going to be a little bit harder, just getting used to it, but it was very simple.
How long did it take you?
35 minutes.
So when you had imperfections, like when the stamp slipped or when it globbed, did you want to stop and fix it?
I did.
So now, looking at the whole wall, will you fix anything?
I wouldn't. The imperfections actually make it really nice and have a nice touch to it, add a nice touch to it.
Okay, any advice for first-time stampers?
I would say the one area, this helped me because I did have one stamp slide. So we just got a wet rag and wiped it clean and then restamped once it dried. And it worked great.
Yeah. Okay, and how long did this take? Did I already ask you?
Oh yeah, like I'd say 30, 40 minutes, tops.
Okay, that's it. Thanks, Jen.
Thank you.